Hello Bailiwickers! Welcome to another online class. I'm Chef Joey Prats and this is Best Ever Cookies for Christmas and all holiday occasions. For those of you who are expecting our pies class featuring our ultimate buko pie, our apple pie with cheddar cheese, and our maple walnut pie, well, we decided to switch the dates of launch. So instead of doing the pies class first, we are doing the cookies class first because Christmas is fast approaching. For those of you who don't have a clue on what date we are filming this, it's actually October 10, 2019. And we're set to launch this online class next month, November, because we want to give all of you time to assemble your ingredients and your packaging so that you don't get stressed when you start offering this, this wonderful set of cookies for your Christmas fair. So I know all of you are starting to plan already as early as now, your Christmas, like your Noche Buena and your giveaways, your gifts, okay? And for those of you who are engaged in home businesses, for the items that you will be offering your customers. So, Christmas is all about convenience baking. So for those of you who are selling baked products, I know that the first thing on your mind is, you know, the items that you're going to sell should be easy to make. They should last long because I know that some people give away their gifts like last week of November or first week of December, and you want those baked products to last until Christmas or even New Year's. So that's why we chose cookies, because cookies are so good. Everybody loves cookies, and we're offering you not just 4 or 5 recipes. We're actually offering you now 7 wonderful recipes like Russian tea cakes and Raisin Shortbread Cookies, and super nutty peanut butter cookies, and chewy oatmeal raisin cookies, raspberry bars, food for the gods, and Danish butter cookies. But that's not all. If you enroll in this class, you also get 3 Easter eggs or recipes that are not included in the video, but you get them as bonuses in the class materials, which you can download. So click that button now before you even start watching this video, because you're getting a total of 10. That's 10 fantastic recipes which I created just for you. So are you excited? Because I am. I am just so pumped up today. I'm so excited to give you this class. And we're going to talk not just about the recipes, because that's a given. We're also going to talk about a little bit on costing, and we have a special guest who's going to show you about packaging the cookies, because what's Christmas cookies without packaging, right? You're not going to slump them all in a plastic bag and get them away. You want them to look like the most fantastic cookies on the face of the planet. So we have a special guest whom I will introduce later on in the video, and he'll show you everything that you need to know and tell you where to get the packaging materials. Isn't that wonderful? All right, so we're also going to talk a little bit about mixing methods and makeup methods for the cookies. So this is going to be a very, very interesting class, not just like any other cookie class that you have attended. So bring out your pen, your notebook, or your notepad, download the recipes, and when we come back, we are going to start with some ingredient and equipment identification, as well as start on the first recipe, which will be Russian tea cakes. So I will see you in a short while.